Welcome to the Unreal Engine Map System course. In this course, we are going to build a production-ready optimized navigation system from scratch. I'll teach you how to create a fully functional minimap and world map system, including advanced navigation techniques like A-star pathfinding algorithm and much more. In the first section, we'll create a fresh project using Unreal Engine 5 and migrate the required starter content into it. All textures, materials and other assets you need are provided within the course, so you don't need anything external. After that, we'll initialize the third-person template with interactables, allowing the player to interact with the world spawned elements. In the second section, we will implement the foundation of our minimap components. In this course, both the minimap and world map system are built using a layered architecture where multiple UI elements can be stacked layer by layer to construct complex UI components. We will begin by creating the minimap background layer, which holds the background texture for the level. In the third section, I'll introduce a custom utility tool we have created to automate the map texture generation process. First, we'll build a tool that captures the landscape using scene capture. Then I'll show you how to generate the proper map texture based on that capture. Next, we will implement the minimap icons layer, which dynamically spawns icon for world elements. The minimap system is entirely data driven, and also you will learn how we can add minimap icons to the minimap, control their location and rotation, handle visibility when icons go out of the range, and animate minimap icons. Then we'll move on to the world map. We'll create a world map menu UI that contains all the world map related components. Then we will implement a world map background layer, interactive zooming and scrolling, a dedicated world map input category to visualize consumable player inputs within the world map menu. Next, we will build the world map icons layer. Here we will cover adding world map icons to world map, updating world map icon transformations, animating those icons, selecting icon and displaying descriptions, implementing fast travel functionality for selected locations. We will then implement the world map info category, which organizes and categorizes all the unique elements displayed in the world map component. In the next section, we will implement distance indicators, which are HUD widgets that displays the distance to a marked target. You will learn how to create and update real-time distance indicators, add directional arrows that clamps to the screen bounds when the target is off screen, make the indicators responsive and animated. Next, we will implement a waypoint mechanism where the player will be able to place waypoints directly from the world map, and those waypoints will appear in the actual level. You will learn how to place and remove waypoints dynamically. We will then add another UI layer called range layer. This layer visually represents the area of influence for a given world element, whether static or dynamic. You will learn how to create a range UI material, update transformations and customize the range, design it in a reusable way so it works seamlessly across both minimap and the world map components. In the final section, we will implement pathfinding and path rendering. We'll start by creating a navigation manager and grid system. Also, before jumping into implementations, I'll teach you the essential computer science theories required to build a proper navigation system. There we will cover heuristics, heaps and priority queue data structures, and the A-star pathfinding algorithm. Then we will implement A-star pathfinding on our grid and finally project and render the computed path in real time on both minimap and world map components. This course almost covers everything that you need to be familiar with in order to build a production-ready AAA-style map system in Unreal Engine 5. Everything is thought from the ground up, and we won't just implement the features, we'll deeply explore the underlying theoretical and mathematical concepts so you gain a solid understanding of both theory and the practical implementations. Even if you are new to Unreal Engine game development, you'll be able to follow along without any issue on this course. All course materials, support channels and the guidelines are provided within the course, and I hope you enjoyed this and happy learning.